Making sure Juliet can get the scene.
What? Oh.
Give me that torch. Now go.
I will go, but I will not be happy about this.
Oh, Juliet, I cry for you. Someone is coming, but whom? I must hide.
Give me that, and take this letter to my father. Say nothing happened, do nothing. I'm here to say goodbye and get my ring. Go now, leave me, or I'll tear you apart.
Okay.
Just kind of hanging out.
Open tomb.
Where I can see.
It's the murderous Romeo. It's his fault Juliet died. Stop. Must I kill you?
I must die, but don't tempt me to kill you. Go and leave me.
I challenge you. You have to say it.
I challenge you.
No, then die.
Then die.
I am slain. If thou be merciful, lay me with Juliet.
Am I mad? I'll bury me with Juliet. How may I be happy now? Oh, my love, you are still beautiful and don't seem dead. I will stay with you forever. Here's to my love.
There is blood and swords. Romeo and Paris are dead. Please, dead. Where is my Romeo? Things have gone wrong. Romeo is dead. Come, you must hide. I won't stay. Go, I won't. He drank poison. I'll kiss their lips. There may still be poison on them, and I'll die. But their lips are warm. Someone's coming. I'll be brief. Oh, happy dagger. This is thy sheep. There rest and let me die. Cut.
Must be on Romeo.